Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you can go about bringing a claim for compensation as a passenger in a car accident, as well as going over a couple of things that you can do which should only help to strengthen your claim. If you like this video, please do hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Many of us travel as car passengers on a regular basis, and in doing so, we put our trust in the driver of the vehicle that we're in, along with other road users. But there can be times when accidents happen. If you've been a passenger in a car that's been involved in an accident, you may be wondering whether or not you can claim. What if you were in the car that caused the accident? The good news is, in the majority of cases, even if you were traveling in the vehicle that was driven by the fault driver, unless you were directly involved in the accident occurring by acting with negligence, you should be able to claim compensation. In order to bring a successful claim, we highly recommend that you reach out to someone that has experience in dealing with claims of this nature. That's why we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can contact us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our round-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Now, in order for your claim not only to be successful, but also to reach its full potential, there's a couple of steps that we recommend you can take in order to help strengthen your claim. One of the first things that you should do is to ask each driver involved in the accident for their name and insurance details. Plus, if anybody witnessed the accident, you should ask them for their contact details, as a statement may need to be taken in support of your case. You should also take photographs at the scene of the accident, including photographs of all of the vehicles involved, as well as their number plates. We highly recommend that you have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. They'll advise you on how best to deal with any injuries sustained in the car accident, and having this assessment also means that there's documented evidence of your injuries on file. So make a note of when and where this assessment happened, as it will make it much easier to get hold of records further down the line. Now, one of our final pieces of advice is to keep track of any expenses that you've incurred as a result of the accident. This can include travel expenses, medical expenses, care costs, the cost of any personal items that were damaged in the accident, as well as any loss of earnings from time off work or potential future earnings. All of these may be able to be claimed back. Now, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a successful claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's no upfront fees to worry about, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, once again, if you found this video helpful, please do hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.